Hello students, how are you all? Yes, you all are fine at home, doing your homework, doing your reading, you are doing activities as well, you are looking videos, you are watching videos, okay, and you are learning new things now, you are seeing videos, watching videos, yes. So now say today our subject is English. New poem we are going to start. Poem 8. You know what the name is poem 8? People work. P-E-O-P-L-E. People work. Yes, our poem 8. Its name is People work. Sit children. Today we will only learn hard words and meanings. Understood? A new poem 8. People work. Yes, so we will learn hard words. See what we will learn today. Yes, we will learn hard words and meanings of poem number 8. Can you tell me? Poem 8 name? Very good. Just now I spoke. People work. Okay? Hard words of that poem. So you will be able to read that poem. You can understand it regarding these hard words. Okay? Understood children? If you know hard words, if you know the words, if you know the spellings, then it will be very easy to learn, to understand the poem. And see, I will tell you meanings also. So today you will learn meanings also of the word. Okay children, so only hard words and meanings. So it will be very easy for you to understand the poem. If you know the words and if you know that the meanings of the words, it will be very easy for you to read the poem and understand it very well. Okay children, so that you can read it from your textbook as well. See, now hard words. See now hard words. See, there is a beautiful picture. Can you tell me who is this? Tailor. Very good. He is a tailor. See, he has scissors. He has a measure tape. He has a cloth. He has a sewing machine. See, there is a thread. Yes, so he is a tailor, he is having a scissors, okay, he is having a machine, a sewing machine, okay children. So see now, we will read the hard words. Number 1 is needle, N-I-G-E-L, needle. Needle is name, needle, okay. This man's name is Nigel Naylor. This man's name is Nigel Naylor. Okay? See, N-I-G-E-L, Nigel, N-A-Y-L-O-R, Naylor. Nigel Naylor. Understood? See, this man's name is Nigel Naylor. Now third. Number 3, tailor, T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. He is a tailor. Okay. What is he? He is a tailor. Means he is sewing clothes. You know tailor. Tailor sews our clothes. Yes, we give him the cloth, no? So he makes clothes for us by sewing. Number 4 is makes, M-A-K-E-S, makes, M-A-K-E-S, makes. Trousers, T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers. Now you all are wearing trousers, no? It is a half pant. Trousers, T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers. Number 6 is suits, S-U-I-T-S, suits. Means we wear, it is a type of cloth we wear. Okay? Suits. Number 7 is shirts. S-H-I-R-T-S, shirts. Yes, you are coming to school, you are wearing shirts, no? School dress, there is a shirt and half pant. Okay? So, what? See, again we will revise this words. Neagle. N-I-G-E-L. Neagle. Number 2 is nailer. N-A-Y-L-O-R. Nailer. Number 3 is tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Number 4 is makes. M-A-K-E-S. Makes. Number 5 is trousers. T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S. Trousers. Number 6, suits. S-U-I-T-S. Suits. Yes, we are wearing coats and that short pants. It is a suit. No, we are wearing ties. Yes. So, boys may be wearing this. Shirts. S-H-I-R-T-S. Shirts. Boys are wearing shirts, no? So, it is a type of clothes. These 3 are types of clothes. Okay, children? So, tailor, neagle nailer. See this man. This man is neagle nailer. Now, see, what is he? He is a tailor. He is a tailor. Tailors use clothes, no? So, what he makes? He makes trousers, he makes suits, and he makes shirts. Okay, children? He sews many clothes. Okay? So, what is the name of this tailor? Neagle nailer. What is he? He is a tailor. Very good. Now, what he makes? He makes trousers. He sews suits. He sews shirts. Understood this? So, we will learn this today in the poem People Work. There are many people who work. Some are tailors, some are doctors, some are nurses, some are farmers. So, all the people work, no? So, this is a tailor. So, tailor is also working. So, all the people work. Some or the other way. They work. They earn money. They work. Okay? Yes. So, again we will revise this. Number 1, neagle. Number 2 is nailer. Number 3, tailor. Number 4, makes. Number 5, trousers. Number 6 is suits. S-U-I-T-S. Suits. Number 7 is shirts. S-H-I-R-T-S. Shirts. Now I hope you all know these words. These words will make the poem easy for you. Okay? So you all know people work. People means many, not one person. Many people, many person are people. So people work. The poem is people work. Okay, and we will understand it in the poem when I will discuss, when I will explain you the poem. No, I will tell you. Okay, so first you read read these words, learn it well. Okay, children. Neagle, nailer, tailor, makes, trousers, suits, shirts. Understood this about tailor? He is a tailor. Neagle, nailer, tailor. Yes, you have understood about the tailor. Very good. So I hope now you all have learned these words. Now see. Adverse number 8. See this girl, see this lady. Who is he? Who is she? Very good. See, she is having stethoscope. She is wearing white coat. Okay. So she is a doctor. So you all know that doctor also works. You have learned no, in grammar where doctor works. Very good. Where they works doctors? Yes, doctor works in hospital. We have learned in grammar lesson, no, people, where people work. Okay. So we will learn this hard words. Number 8, penny. P-E-N-N-Y, penny. Number 9, proctor. P-R-O-C-T-O-R, proctor. See, her name is Penny Proctor. What is the name? What is her name? Can you tell me? Her name? Yes, she is Penny Proctor. Her name is Penny Proctor. Now number 10. See number 10. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Penny Proctor. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Number 11 is comes. C-O-M-E-S. Comes. Number 12, hurts. H-U-R-T-S. Hurts. H-U-R-T-S. Hurts. Now you all have learned these words. See, this lady's name is Penny Proctor, and then she is a doctor. Now you know doctor, what doctor do? Yes, doctor gives medicine when we are ill, when we are not well. At that time we go to visit a doctor. We go to hospital, and in the hospital doctor check us. Okay, they give us medicine. Understood? So doctor comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes when we are hurts, H-U-R-T-S, hurts, when we are not well. Okay, when we are not well, when we are ill. Okay, children? So number 8, penny. P-E-N-N-Y, penny. See, you can learn this word. Yes, you can speak with me. P-E-N-N-Y, penny. How you have to spell it? Penny. The word is P-E-N-N-Y. Penny. You have to spell it penny. But the spelling is P-E-N-N-Y, penny. Proctor. Spell proctor. P-R-O-C-T-O-R. Proctor. Okay. So what is the spelling? P-R-O-C-T-O-R. Proctor. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Penny Proctor. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Number 11 is comes. C-O-M-E-S. Comes. C-O-M-E-S. Comes. Number 12 is hurts. H-U-R-T-S. Hurts. H-U-R-T-S. Hurts. Understood, children? So Penny Proctor is a doctor. Now what is the name of the doctor? Penny Proctor. Yes, Penny Proctor is a doctor, no? So she gives medicines when the person is hurt or not well. Understood, children? So I will ask you whenever I will explain this poem. Okay, children? So now number 13. See here. Can you tell me this Who is this person? Yes, this person is a farmer. See, he is a farmer. He is having a farm, big farm. And you know, there are animals in his farm. Okay? See, there are sheep, cows. Yes, all these animals are there. So, what is the word in this? See, Peter. 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 Palmer. 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 Peter Palmer. See this name? His name is Peter Palmer. Now what is? Who is he? He is a farmer. 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 He is a farmer. Peter Palmer. See now, he is a farmer. What he has? Goats. He has goats. 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 Then he has sheep. 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 Peter Palmer has goats, sheep. He has cows. Understood now? Who is this person? What is the name? This person name is Peter Palmer. Now he is a farmer. He has a farm. We have learned in grammar, no? Who has a farm? So a person who has a farm is called farmer. So he is also having a farm and he is also a farmer. Okay, children? Yes. Now see. See here. Wendy. 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 See? Can you see the picture? One small baby is there in her hand. There is a pram. This is called pram. This boy is sitting here. Okay. So Wendy Witter. 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 Babysitter. Baby. Baby. Sitter. 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 21. Minds. 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 Number 22 is kids. 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 23. Asleep. 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 See now Wendy Witter. Wendy. See her name is Wendy Witter. Now what she does? She is a babysitter. Babysitter is a person who looks after the baby. Okay, when the parents are not at home. So she is a babysitter. She looks after the children, small babies. So that she takes care of them. She minds them. She makes them go to sleep. Why? When parents are not at home. When the parents are not at home, no? The babysitter comes. She takes care of the kids. Understood, children? See now. Wendy Witter. What is the name of babysitter? Wendy Witter. Wendy Witter. Baby sitter. Number 21 is minds. 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 22 is kids. 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 Kids means small children. See, this is a kid. Kid is small children. Number 23 is asleep. Asleep means when to go to sleep. Asleep, to sleep. Okay, children? So, number 18, Wendy Witter. Baby sitter. 21, minds. 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 KIDS. Kids. ASLEEP. Asleep. Now you all have learned these words. Learn it well. See the spelling of Wendy. 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 WITTER. Witter. B-A-B-Y, baby, S-I-T-T-E-R, sitter, baby sitter. Minds, M-I-N-D-S, minds. Kids, K-I-D-S, kids. Asleep, A-S-L-E-E-P, asleep. Okay, children, now I hope you all have understood this. Now see, number 24, country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. See, this is country. Now you know here what is the meaning of country. We will learn, okay? So country is this is called country. This is a picture of a country. Okay. People, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Work, W-O-R-K, work. Town, T-O-W-N, town. See, this is a town. There are big buildings. There are cars. Okay, on the road there are there are roads. Okay, yes. Then number 28, night, N-I-G-H-T, night. 29, world, W-O-R-L-D, world. 30, R-O-U-N-D, round. Okay, children? Yes, see here. Country. Now see, this is a country. There are not roads. There are small streets. And see, there are farms. Many farms are there. There is a water here. And see, this is called country. There are only some houses only are there. Okay? Yes. So, now 25. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Now 26 is work. W-O-R-K. Work. T-O-W-N. Town. See, this is a town. There are big buildings. Okay, in the town. In the town there are not streets, there are roads. Okay, there are cars running on the roads. This is a picture of a town. And see, this is a picture of a countryside. Okay, children. So can you see the difference? Country and village. Country, village, and see the town. This is a picture of a town and this is a picture of a country. It is a village. Okay. So number 28. N-I-G-H-T, night. W-O-R-L-D, world. Number 30. R-O-U-N-D, round. Okay, children, have you understood this? See, again we will read. So you will be able to learn this. 24. Country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. You can speak with me. Okay? C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. W-O-R-K, work. W-O-R-K, work. T-O-W-N, town. N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. W-O-R-L-D, world. R-O-U-N-D, round. Okay, children, so people work in the country, people work in the town, so people work everywhere. Yes, they work in the country also. In the countryside they are having farms, okay, and in the town there are many people working also. Understood? So in the town also they are working in the country also. So people work everywhere. Everywhere people are working. Okay, children? So I hope now you all have understood these words. You want to revise this? Yes, see again. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. W-O-R-K. Work. T-O-W-N, town. N-I-G-H-T, night. W-O-R-L-D, world. R-O-U-N-D, round. Understood, children? Now I hope you all have understood these words. You have learned it also. It will be easy for you. Okay? Now see, we will learn meanings. Okay? Then I will explain you. Now number 1 is see, minds. I will explain you in the next period. Okay? Next lecture. M-I-N-D-S, minds. Now what is the meaning of minds? We have seen this word, no? Minds. Wendy Witter, minds. So minds, the meaning is take care. T-A-K-E, take. C-A-R-E, care. Take care. Minds. What is the meaning of minds? Take care. Now number 2 is the country. See, I showed you the picture. This is a country. Countryside. So what is the meaning of country? C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. See again. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Now meaning of country is village. See here. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Understood, children? See, you have to learn this. Minds. M-I-N-D-S. Minds. Take care. That Wendy Witter minds, no? She takes care. So, M-I-N-D-S. Minds. What is the meaning of minds? Take care. T-A-K-E. Take. C-A-R-E. Care. Take care. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. What is country meaning? Meaning of country? Meaning of country is village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Understood? See, this is a village. This is a countryside. Okay, this is called village. Yes, there are only streets, no roads. Understood? So, country, village. Okay, children? See, now we will revise it. M-I-N-D-S, minds. So, it is take care. T-A-K-E, take. C-A-R-E, care. Take care. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Country is village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Country, village. Minds, take care. Minds, take care. See, listen properly. This you have to learn. Minds, take care. Minds, take care. Learn this spelling. Take care. You don't make mistake in writing, okay? T-A-K-E, take. C-A-R-E, care. Country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country, village. Country, village. See the spelling of village. Country, village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Country, village. Learn this well. See number. Here, minds, take care. Minds, take care. Country, village. Country, village. Minds, take care. Country, village. Understood now you all? Yes, you all have understood this. Now see children, read the poem if you can. Okay, learn these hard words and meanings. It will be very easy for you to understand the poem. Okay children, so take care at home. Do your work properly. Understood? And the last, thank you all.